I'm part academic, part practitioner, part strategist, part researcher. Most importantly, listener.
We need to become a community of cooperative change leaders. This is leadership on your island.
I can change things because I can find my way into your organization and figure it out with you.
How are you going to show up and lead every day to lead and to care?
With 6 published books, 4 TED Talks, a whole bunch of awards, but most importantly, 30 years of working with leaders around the world on what it takes to put their culture into a strategic competitive advantage, that's the on-the-ground experience that I bring to you. My responsibility to you is to help your team members outperform what they think they're capable of.
I don't believe in work-life balance, that there's work and that there's life. Our job as leaders is to allow our team to bloom in both.
I'm not just here to pontificate, I have research to prove it.
I don't do leadership hype. I do leadership humanity.
There are some things that work you and the organization, maybe the team, have to work on. So you're stunted. You're not like kind of dead. You're just like not blooming yet.
Whether it's keynotes and workshops, coaching, or strategic consulting, I help you turn insights into action.
You must decide how you want to be known when you leave this room.